Why is the project management still time-consuming and inefficient? Are you still constantly updating spreadsheets, downing appointments, and attending weekly update meetings? It's a waste of time and effort. There's more than enough project management software to help you stay on top of every project. This video has compiled the best services from the top project management software category. So pay attention, we're getting started.
Jira is a powerful project management tool developed by Atlassian that has become a cornerstone for teams across various industries, particularly in software development and IT. With its ability to facilitate agile methodologies such as Scrum and Kanban, Jira empowers teams to organize, track, and manage their work efficiently. Whether you are managing a small team or a large organization, Jira offers robust features that cater to diverse project needs. Jira provides an array of customizable templates that support different project management methodologies. You can choose from Scrum boards for iterative development, Kanban boards for continuous delivery, or even create your custom workflows tailored to your team's specific requirements. This flexibility ensures that you can adapt Jira to fit your unique business processes. With Jira, identifying and managing bugs becomes a seamless part of your development cycle. You can easily log issues, assign them to team members, and monitor their resolution status. This systematic approach to bug tracking not only improves product quality, but also enhances team accountability, as everyone knows their responsibilities regarding bug fixes. Jira seamlessly integrates with a multitude of other tools, such as Confluence for documentation, Bitbucket for version control, and third-party apps via the Atlassian Marketplace. This extensive integration capability enhances collaboration and ensures that all team members have access to the tools they need without switching platforms. Jira fosters a culture of collaboration by allowing team members to comment on tasks, share updates, and tag colleagues. This transparency ensures that everyone is aligned on project goals and can contribute to discussions, leading to better problem-solving and innovation. Whether you are a startup or a large enterprise, Jira scales with your business. You can start with a small team and expand to include multiple teams and projects without losing functionality or performance. Jira allows you to customize dashboards, notifications, and workflows to fit your team's preferences. This personalized experience boosts user engagement and helps team members focus on what matters most. Zoho Projects is a comprehensive project management platform designed to enhance team collaboration and streamline workflows. Part of the larger Zoho suite, this tool is especially popular among small to medium-sized businesses due to its user-friendly interface and powerful features. Zoho Projects combines essential project management functionalities with advanced tools that cater to diverse business needs. Zoho Projects allows users to create detailed tasks, set deadlines, assign responsibilities, and monitor progress. Each task can include subtasks, milestones, and attachments, providing a comprehensive view of project components. This organization helps teams prioritize work and ensure timely completion of deliverables. Gantt charts provide a visual representation of project timelines, enabling teams to track progress at a glance. This feature is particularly useful for project managers who need to allocate resources effectively and identify potential delays before they become critical issues. The built-in chat feature, forums, and comments facilitate seamless communication among team members. You can create discussion threads around specific tasks or projects, ensuring that all relevant information is captured and easily accessible. Zoho Projects is designed with ease of use in mind, allowing team members to quickly navigate the platform without extensive training. This simplicity encourages user adoption and minimizes disruptions during implementation. Zoho Projects offers various pricing plans to suit different business sizes and budgets. The availability of a free tier allows small teams to experiment with the software without financial commitment. The analytics tools provided by Zoho Projects allow teams to measure performance against predefined KPIs. This data can guide future project planning and resource allocation, fostering continuous improvement. Basecamp is a popular project management and team collaboration tool that emphasizes simplicity and effectiveness. Designed for teams looking for an all-in-one solution to manage projects, Basecamp streamlines communication and project tracking in a user-friendly environment. Its minimalistic approach allows teams to focus on what truly matters, delivering high-quality work. Basecamp allows users to create projects with task lists, schedules, and documents all in one place. This centralized approach reduces the chances of miscommunication and ensures that everyone knows their responsibilities and deadlines. The platform includes discussion boards for each project, enabling team members to post questions, share ideas, and provide feedback. This functionality fosters an open dialogue and encourages collaboration, helping teams resolve issues quickly. Basecamp allows users to upload and share documents, images, and other files easily. This feature ensures that all project-related materials are accessible to the entire team, enhancing collaboration and reducing the need for email exchanges. Basecamp's clean interface and straightforward tools eliminate unnecessary complexity, making it easy for teams to focus on their work rather than navigating a complicated system. With all project discussions, tasks, and documents housed in one place, Basecamp minimizes the risk of miscommunication and ensures that everyone is aligned on project goals. Basecamp's flat pricing model allows teams to manage as many projects and users as they need without incurring additional costs. This predictability helps businesses budget effectively. In a world where project management is vital to achieving success, selecting the right tool can make all the difference. Jira offers a customizable, feature-rich platform ideal for teams that require detailed tracking and reporting. Zoho Projects provides an intuitive interface with essential functionalities, perfect for small to medium-sized businesses looking to enhance collaboration. Meanwhile, Basecamp simplifies project management with its user-friendly design, making it an excellent choice for teams focused on clear communication. By leveraging these tools, businesses can streamline their workflows, improve team collaboration, and achieve their project goals efficiently. Take the time to evaluate each option based on your team's unique needs, and you'll set yourself up for success in your project management journey. If you found this information valuable and want to stay updated on the latest project management tools, tips, and strategies, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Join our community to learn more about optimizing your workflow and enhancing your team's productivity. Your journey to effective project management starts here.